Hello friends, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. Our host is Lady Red Crafting and Lady Lola D's Creations. Our guest host is the Chick Show DIY. Please check out all their channels in the description box and the amazing creators in the playlist for more fall inspiration. Okay, let's base paint this. And it may take a good 2 coats. Okay, this is our transfer. These came from Amazon, and we're gonna put this on our little tray. Right after I closed the last video, we had a tornado warning. So I'm a little late coming back. It's now about 9 o'clock at night. We had quite a few really bad storms. We had a tornado that was seen on the ground in a little town not far from us. So it's been a crazy day. I guess it helps if I took the clear paper off. And nobody told me. There we go. Now we might be able to get it. Like I said, it's been a crazy day. And scraping and scraping. I'm slowly peeling. I need to scrape a little bit more there. Here we go. And it's not perfect. I guess I could add something small over here. Let's see what I could add over here. I'm gonna add some corn. So it's not quite as noticeable. Like it's supposed to look like I meant to do that. So here we go. We're going to take this hat and we're going to base paint it orange. Let's add some stripes to her hat. We're gonna add a little bit of glue back here, just so we can start our, I'm gonna wrap some jute twine around this. That way it sticks a little bit. You can do as much or as little as you like of this. I think for me that's good. Then your end, just take it, add another dollop of glue. Oh, I lost my, okay, I got my nose back. Now I'm gonna just add a little bit of, a little bow. If you had a little tiny sunflower, that would work here too. Okay, we're gonna just base paint this white. Make sure to get the edges. These things are great. You can do so much with these little blocks here. You can make a little pedestal. You can make a cute little sign. And with this one, I'm gonna make a gnome today. Show you how to make a little fall gnome just out of these little blocks. First, I'm gonna take our fabric and add a band, just like that. And our band is gonna go right across the front. I think I'm going the wrong direction. I think I'm supposed to go this way. Oops. It's thundering and I'm directionally challenged. There we go. Now we're add this on the inside. There we go. Now we got it. We are going to bring this over here. Okay, now I'm going to add, I love Okay, we have one of these hula skirts. We're going to start by doubling it and measuring it out so it's double. Okay, now let's give him a haircut. A beard trim. I'm going to take one piece of this. Put it down in here. Okay, now let's fold this in just like this. Now I'm going to take some of our rope, wherever the end is. Where is the end of this thing? Guess we'll make our own. Okay. And we'll just tie this off. Make a little loop. Like right there. Now you have all this, which is a little much. Let's trim this down. Okay, now let's add, I'm going to add a sunflower embellishment here on his hat. And of course we got to add his nose. Maybe this one won't fall off 10 million times like the other one did. And I may see. Hold on. I'm gonna pull this off real quick. Everything's going on the floor today. What is that? Yes, that was lightning. If you notice on this channel, I seem like I only craft when it's thunderstorming. I don't know why. My garden could use some rain, but we don't need all the other. We are under a tornado watch again. Here is our 3 projects. We have this one. Little Dollar Tree tray. I seen somebody make these on Facebook. Now, I don't remember who it was. And this, I think I watched Terry Burton make these from The Robin's Nest by Terry. And I found this one on Facebook too. So I guess this is a Facebook redo.